Olivia.
Whoa. Never would have known our little baby girl would like fennel, raw and whole. But apparently she does. So.
So you like the dark liquor. She's got a good,
Palate.
yeah.
Yeah, so that's raw fennel. She likes it. Who would have thought? Anyway.
She's too cute. You want to see Millie want some fennel? Millie, huh? Silly Millie.
Want to say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Uno.
She's